And then just kind of lift this cover up over the fuel tank like that. Hey guys, Machines and Metal. I'm just working on this Honda HRN216 today, and I thought I'd make a real quick video just to show you guys how to remove the plastic top on one of these new Honda mowers. This is the last of the Honda mowers, actually. I think they're discontinued lawnmowers altogether by the news of it, so you're looking at the finale right here. But anyways, I'm going to show you real quick how to get this cover off without damaging it. Some guys think you have to peel this sticker off and there's screws underneath. No, that's incorrect. There's actually some clips, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is pop off this gas cap. Notice the throat of the tank fits through the red cover. There's enough room around it to slide that cover up and over it with the cap off. The next thing you want to do, guys, is grab yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and right here there's a screw and a clip. This is like a little locking clip thing, I think. You might not even need to undo this, but I like to. It seems to make this go easier. Maybe someone in the comments leave a comment about it. So don't lose that screw. I just dropped that screw. We'll find it later. You want to take that clip off. Okay, everything's falling apart today. Take that clip off right there. It just drops off. And then what you've got, guys, you've got a clip here, one, and there's actually another clip right under there. Right there, clip number 2. And over on this side, right here, there's another clip right there. You see it? Red. And at the back here underneath is another clip right there. And what you want to do is kind of pull these clips back out of the way and lift. Oh, there goes one right there. Same thing. Pull this clip back and kind of lift like that. Once again, you got a clip right there coming off, and the last one like that, and then just kind of lift this cover up over the fuel tank like that, and there you go. That's how you get it off. So there you can see the 4 clips, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually you can just work at the 2 front ones, and the back ones will come off along with the rest of the cover. Then you can snake your pull cord handle through this cover if you need to take this off, and you got full access to your recoil and your engine shroud and whatever else it is. Reverse, just snap it back on. Make sure that those 4 clips drop into those 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your little metal clip back on. Find your screw that's lying down there. Thread it back in with your screwdriver. You're good to go. Hit the subscribe button, guys, for more videos about lawnmowers and stuff on the channel. Thanks for watching.